Can I see it?
Careful. All right, let Evan have a spin. This is the video celebrating. We have boxed up 2,100. No yelling. 44 pairs of shoes. We have 100 more boxes ready to go out to Project Soul to go to people that need it. And we've spent a lot of hard hours doing this, and now we're excited and we're going out for pizza and ice cream as soon as the labels get put on these last few boxes. We've sacrificed Yankees tickets, etc., etc. And my children have worked hard with me to do this. Congratulations! Let's go for ice cream and pizza!